Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a potato face gel recipe. The problem with homemade potato face gel is it usually discolors once we make it due to oxidation, as it is always made with fresh potato juice. This potato face gel is very unique and is so very effective, and more importantly, it does not discolor at all. The reason this potato face gel does not discolor is because I've used boiled potato water for it. We usually discard the water after boiling potatoes, but once you start making and using this gel, you'll never discard it again. Potato in any form, be it fresh potato juice, boiled potato or potato water, lightens scars and blemishes very well. It also brightens dull skin very effectively. Next time you boil potatoes at home, don't discard the water, use it in skincare. This gel will be especially helpful for people who are suffering from scars and pigmentation. It can be used for both oily and dry skin with a slight modification. Try to use it regularly to see good results. Boil potatoes in a pot or a pressure cooker. Most of us usually boil potatoes with the skin on. But for this gel, remove the skin, cut into pieces, and then boil the potatoes. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Once the potatoes are cooked, strain out the water. To make the potato face gel, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Add a half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin to it. Add 1.5 teaspoons of potato boiled water. Finally, add a few drops of essential oil of your choice. You can use any essential oil except citrus essential oils. Now mix well using a spoon. At first, the mixture will be very lumpy, but as you keep mixing, it will form a smooth gel. Once mixed well, take it in a bottle and store it in the fridge. This face gel should last well for 4 to 5 days in the fridge. To use, before going to bed, take the gel and apply it all over the face and neck. Since we're adding turmeric powder to the gel, I would suggest using it in the night, as turmeric increases skin sensitivity to sun in some people. Also, since we're boiling the turmeric powder, it usually does not stain the skin much. Regular use of this gel will fade scars, blemishes and dark spots very well. If you have oily skin, reduce the amount of vegetable glycerin. If you have extremely dry skin, you can increase the vegetable glycerin accordingly. After making the face gel, if there is turmeric water left, we can use it to make face packs too. Take a tablespoon of gram flour in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of honey to it. Finally, add enough of the potato boiled water to form a smooth paste. Now mix well with a spoon. To use, take the paste and apply it all over the face and neck. Wait for it to almost dry and then wash it off. Use both these treatments together to get a glowing skin. The face pack can be used weekly twice, and the face gel can be used on a regular basis. Do give both these recipes a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.